Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Tech Jobs. So in this video I have a very good opportunity for Python developers. See guys, this channel has been created to help people. I want to help people who doesn't know how to apply a job in Naukri portal, or there are a lot of people who doesn't apply in portals. Now they will use any referral platforms to apply for a job opportunity. For that only I have started this channel. In fact, the videos which I have posted earlier, still they are valid right now, and you can apply for the job change. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe this channel, because we are going to post the videos continuously. And in this video I have brought a new requirement, which is Python developer. If you are a Python developer, do watch this video, and if you are not a Python developer, do share this video to some of your friends who are currently working in Python development. Because see guys, I am looking out for people who are willing to work in Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune. These three locations, the experience should be from 3 and above years. Anything might be 10 years, 9 years, but the minimum should be 3 years experience. And very important is Pyspark, which is very important, or Apache Pyspark with Python is very necessary for this demand, because I know this skill is very niche in the market. We are open with the compensation. We don't have any constraint with regards to this. No client interview, nothing. It is directly internal interview. Only one round of interview. If you are very good in the technology, we will roll out the offer for you. And I cannot disclose my company name. It is a CMM level 5 company where more than 3 lakh employees currently working in my organization. So once you share your resume to me, I can give more info about the opportunity to you. I'll paste the job description in this description below. Please have a glance in the job description. Do apply for this opportunity if you are looking out for an opportunity. And if you want to upgrade yourself in Python, if you are from backend Java or from PL SQL, here I cannot help you, because Python is very must skill, along with Pyspark, which is mandatory for this demand. If you have any other doubts, feel free to write an email to me. I'll share you my email ID as well. And if please go through the earlier videos which I have posted regarding to job openings. Do watch the videos, and please share your profiles to us. I have 2000 plus demands in my organization, and I am the only person whom I have to fulfill all these positions. So request you guys to share your resume. Even if you are in IT technology, IT industry, and you are from some other technology which I have not posted, then not a problem. Share your resume to me. Let me have a glance. If I feel your profile is suitable, and if I have any opportunity in those 2000 demands, surely I'll call you guys. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you.